Hey, God bless you, my friend. This is Sister Sharon, and today I want to encourage you. Join me in eating fresh fruits and vegetables every single day because so many believers are dying prematurely. Many people are struggling with chronic illnesses that can be deterred. They could be avoided if we would only eat enough daily allowance of fresh fruits and vegetables. So this is my new kale crunch salad. It is fresh kale. You wash them with warm water and squeeze them and really kind of break them down from that hardness with the warm water and your hands. Then you want to toss it with some honey Dijon dressing. It has cabbage, red bell peppers, sweet onions, and then my midday snack will be fresh pineapple. Friends, we got to put forth a good effort to avoid, to bypass sickness and disease. Many of us know the best medicine to prevent cancer or the best treatment of cancer is prevention. Not just cancer, but many chronic illnesses are because of poor diet. Science, friends, science proves that certain fruits and vegetables, they have nutrients, they have flavonoids, they have minerals, they have fiber and other properties that help to naturally cleanse and keep your body healthy. Proven. And friends, many don't know, but fresh pineapple is a natural anti-inflammatory, and kale greens is considered the number one superfood out of all the foods that God provides for us. Kale greens is considered number one superfood. And don't forget my testimony. I had developed arthritis in my joints, in my arms, and I began to increase fresh pineapple and kale greens in a smoothie. And friends, in less than, I would say a couple of months, totally pain-free. It drove it out because I was having a lot of dairy in my smoothies, which I no longer drink because I was over saturating them with dairy. And that's where my joint pain, because that dairy does cause inflammation. And friends, listen, by the grace of God, I eliminated all that dairy and increased kale and pineapple naturally, just flushing my body and my blood and my cells with all these nutrients. And I thank God because many of you know I'm getting ready for the crusade this summer. We're getting ready. I'll be announcing that next week, our crusade tour. We're getting ready for our spring outreach. We're going to be going from high school to high school. And I got to be healthy. I don't like being sick, friends. I like to feel good. I like to have energy. So come on and join me, friends. Every day, we're going to get that fresh fruit and vegetable in. Amen. God bless you, my friend. Keep me in your prayers. We are getting ready. I am planning. I am ready to mobilize these teams in other states. I will be making an announcement next week of the cities and states that we will be coming to do random acts of kindness, to share the gospel of Jesus Christ. I'm excited. God bless, friends. Head on over to your fresh produce department.